So I think you got up this time. So this is the last blink problem that we have. After that we move to fading problems. So if you screwed up somewhere, follow the video and try to implement it. So first of all, what we have, a variable that is LED pin on pin number 13. And now in board setup we have this pin mode, LED pin as output. And then now let's move to loop section. So here we have the first loop, in which, as I told you, that we have to take a variable and make the code blink for 3 times, so less than 3, and we have taken less than 3, not 4, because 0 is counted. And then we have increment, and here what we have, first we have the digitalWrite the LED pin at high, and then we have to take a delay of 150 millisecond, as I have already told you, and then digitalWrite LED pin at low, and then a delay of 100 millisecond this time. And this is the code for that problem, which I am saying you that first the LED is high for 150 millisecond and then it will at low for 100 millisecond. So this is the first loop. And in second, what we have to do, we have to make the same code, but time for high is 450 seconds this time. You can copy the code and just change the timings. So here we have the digitalWrite LED pin at high, and then we have a delay of 400 milliseconds this time, and then we have digitalWrite. Again, the color is not changed here. And then the LED pin at low, and then a delay of 100 milliseconds. This is the second loop that we have, and I forgot to mention here the delay. In the loops we have also make a delay of 100 milliseconds, so that first one get exported and differentiated from second one. Now we have the last loop where we have the variable again 0 and then again I less than 3, and this one is completely similar to the first one, so I copy it. I think it will not be any confuse here. And after this, in last, we have a delay of 5 seconds. So this is our code for this given problem, or the problem that I have given to you. So let me upload the code on the board, and first let me compile the code. So here we go, it's nearly done compiling. So done compiling. So let me move on the board and check whether the code is working or not. So here we are on the board, and here we have the Arduino and a breadboard with the LED with resistors and jumper wires. So what we have to do here is, now let me connect an LED and provide a resistor here. Now the ground pin is grounded and the positive pin is connected to pin number 13, and we have uploaded the code on the board. Now let me try the code by powering up the Arduino. As you have seen in the problem, here you can again see the similar pattern. First a fast blink and then a lower blink. Here we have the 5-second delay and then a fast blink and then a blink with high delay. So I hope every one of you got the same results. So see you in the next video.